When experiencing frequent colds, cold viruses and flu, all you need is some natural shot that will prevent their onset. Then, you are at the right place. This potent shot will boost your immune system, fight inflammation, flu, and colds, as well as will soothe stomach upsets. The miracle shot. This powerful juice combines only 2 potent ingredients that will provide many benefits for your overall health. So, all you need are ginger and turmeric. This combination of ginger and turmeric is highly concentrated with potent compounds which are high in antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties. Turmeric, along with the uses as a culinary spice, turmeric has a long history of medicinal use. According to NCBI, more than 100 compounds can be isolated from turmeric. One of the main components is curcumin, a potent natural antioxidant. Also, turmeric contains moisture, extraneous matter, curcumin, and volatile oils. As an herbal medicine, turmeric treats rheumatoid arthritis, wound healing, liver ailments, urinary tract infections, abdominal pain, and many other purposes. In addition, it is high in anti-inflammatory, antimicrobial, choloretic, and carminative properties. These properties make the turmeric the perfect ingredient for treating colds, viruses, and flu. Its strong antiviral qualities directly affect and prevent influenza infections. The Emerging Infectious Diseases has published a study in 2009 which points out that curcumin can reduce over 90% of viruses in laboratory cells. So, this makes curcumin the most suitable candidate for the natural treatment of influenza, which can interfere with different microbes and viruses. Ginger is one of the most effective herbs that strengthen the immune system, prevent and treat cold, especially influenza. According to the healthcare professionals, ginger can prevent nausea and vomiting, stomach upset, and even a heart disease. Its potent antiviral and antibacterial properties effectively deal with viruses, heal the irritation, pain, and discomfort caused by flu. The ginger compounds reduce body temperature and stimulate the perspiration. You need the following ingredients. Note, if possible, make sure you use only organic ingredients. 1/4 inch of turmeric root, 1/4 inch of ginger root, 1 small green apple. Method of preparation. All you need to do is juice all of these ingredients and the drink is ready. Enjoy!